video will show you how to use MyCBE PowerSchool to access reporting information for students in K-9. If your school or your child's school has opted to use PowerSchool as a tool for communicating reporting information, you can access reporting period comments and indicators through the MyCBE PowerSchool portal at the end of each reporting period. There is not a downloadable version of the report card available through the MyCBE PowerSchool portal. The same reporting information that is found on a printed report card is presented in a web format that requires navigation between courses. Students and families are encouraged to use the MyCBE PowerSchool portal rather than the PowerSchool app to access reporting information. The app currently does not include some of the information that can be accessed through the MyCBE PowerSchool portal. The following steps will help you access reporting information. Step 1. Go to MyCBE PowerSchool portal sign-in page. You can access this page from the public CBE website or your school website by clicking on the link that looks like one of these. Enter your username and password here. Note, there are also instructions on this signage page for how to create an account for logging into the MyCBE PowerSchool portal. The default landing page provides information about attendance. Step 3. Click on the Assignments and Grades tab. Step 4. The Assignments and Grades page will list all courses in which you or your child is enrolled. There is a column for each reporting term. S1 refers to the first reporting period, which ends in December or January. Y1 refers to the final reporting period, which ends in June. Step 5. Click on the hyperlinked I for the appropriate term of a course to view reporting information. If new information does not appear on the screen, scroll down. Step 6. See the reporting comment for that course in the Teacher Comments section. Step 7. Scroll down to view information about assignments. This information will only be available if your school or your child's school has opted to use PowerSchool as a tool for ongoing communication. Step 8. To view STEM indicators, scroll down and click on the name of the course. This will open a table of your or your child's indicators for each reporting STEM in this course. Step 9. Scroll back up the page to go through these same steps to see reporting information in another course. Note, the STEMs and Outcomes tab at the top of the MyCBE PowerSchool portal allows you to view indicators for multiple courses at the same time. You cannot view reporting comments on the STEMs or Outcomes tab. This has been how to use MyCBE PowerSchool to access reporting information for students in K-9.